Welcome students to class 4 maths lesson 1 session 8. This is the last session on lesson 1 numbers and number names. Let us look at the solutions of worksheet 7. I had shared this worksheet in my previous video. Question number 1. Put less than, greater than or equal to in the blanks. Now first question, A part, that is, had 5 digits in both the numbers. First digit was 1, which is same. Second digit in both numbers was 9, which is also same. So we go to the next digit, which is 0, same again. So we go to the next digit. In the first number we have 5, in the second number we have 4. 5 is greater than 4, therefore 19054 is greater. B part, 8523. So this is 8523, and this side we have 5000 plus 800 plus 70 plus 9, which makes the number as 5879, which is 5879. So first digit, when we compare, this side we have 8 and this side we will have 5. 8 is greater, therefore 8523 is greater. C part, 45325. This side we have 45,325. Let us read this number. It is also 45,325. Both numbers are representing the same number. One is in words, one is in figures. Therefore, they are equal. Question number 2. Underline the greatest number and circle the smallest number. Now the first one, all numbers are 5 digits. So we will compare the first digit of each number. We have 8, 7, 5 and 9. So the greatest number will be number starting with 9. 9, 2, 3, 1, 4. And the smallest will be, now we have to compare the remaining 3, 8, 7 and 5. So 5 is the smallest here. So smallest number is going to be 52315. B part. Here we have different number of digits. So smallest, you can easily make out the one which has got 4 digits alone. Then we have 5 digit numbers. 5 digit out of these 3 5-digit numbers, we will compare the first digit of all. So we have 5, 5 and 9. 9 being the greatest number is going to be 93210. And for the smallest, we had already identified the smallest is going to be the 4-digit number. The last part, here again we have all 5-digit numbers and all of them are starting with 4. So we have to compare the next digit. Next digits we have 3262. 6 is greatest among this lot. So the number 46824 is greatest. The second digit is 322. So 3 is greater than 2. So we leave 3. Then we have to compare these two. Here then we go to the third digit. Third digit is 6 and 8. So 6 is smaller. Therefore the number 42638 is the smallest. Question number 3. Rearrange the following numbers in ascending order. For ascending order, we go from small to big. All of them are 4-digit numbers. So we compare the first digit of each. 8, 8, 9 and 3. 3 is the smallest digit. So 3625 is going to be the smallest number. After that we have 8, 8 and 9. Now we'll compare the second digits of these two numbers. One is 5, one is 4. So we will write 8475 as the second number and then followed by 8563. And lastly we will write 9524. Descending order. Here we have numbers with different number of digits. Descending order, we'll write the biggest number first. We have 2 5-digit numbers and 2 4-digit numbers. We will start with the 5-digit number first, and one 5-digit number is starting with 1 and the other is starting with 3. So the number starting with 3 is going to be the greatest number. Then the number starting with 1 Now we come to the 4-digit numbers. 4-digit, one is starting with 1 and one is starting with 5. So since 5 is greater, 5213 will be the third number and 1023 is going to be the fourth number. Fourth question, write the greatest and the smallest 5-digit number using all the digits without repetition 85207. Now we have to form the greatest number. So greatest number, we just have to write the numbers in descending order. The biggest digit first and the smallest digit in the end. So it is going to be 87520. For the smallest number, we have to write in ascending order. But here, since we have 0, in ascending order the numbers would be 0, 2, 5, 7, 8. We will change the position of 0 with the next digit, which is 2. So the number will be 20578. Now we have to form a 5-digit number and only 4 digits are given. So we'll have to repeat. In the greatest, we will repeat the greatest digit, and in the smallest, we will repeat the smallest digit. So for greatest, we have to repeat 9 2 times. Then only we'll get a 5-digit number. Number will be 99620. For the smallest, we'll also keep in mind the number will not start with 0. So number will start with 2. Then we'll repeat the 0 2 times. 20069. Question 5. Change the position of the digits of 95063 to make the smallest and the greatest 5-digit number. We have the number as 95063. To make the greatest number, we have to arrange these digits in descending order. So after 9, instead of 5, we'll have 6, then we'll have 5, then 3 and then 0. So the number thus formed is going to be 96530. To make the smallest number, we will not start with 0. Otherwise, we will not have a 5-digit number. We'll start with the next number, which is 3. After 3, then we'll place 0. So it is going to be the digits of this number in ascending order, but keeping 3 in the first place. So the number will be 30569. Question number 6. Write the smallest 5-digit number using only 2 different digits with 3 in the thousands place. So 3 is already fixed in the thousands place. Different digits we have to use, and 3 they have given. So 1 digit they have already given. Now if we take 0, which is the smallest digit, and we write it, we will not form a 5-digit number. So we will take the next digit, which is 1. Now only 1 digit we can take out of the 2. 3 is already there, no? So all the other places we'll fill with 1 and we'll get 13111. B part, 2 different digits. 2 different digits will be 0 and 1. And we'll form the 5-digit number using 0 and 1. It is going to be 10000. Then 3 different digits with 6 in thousands place and 2 in tens place. So 6 and 2 have to be there in the number. We can only choose one more number. And for 5 digit, it goes up to 10,000. We cannot start a number with 0 in 10,000s place, otherwise it will become a 4-digit number. So we can't take 0 for the smallest digit. The other smallest after 0 is 1. So we will choose 1 as the third digit in the number. And apart from thousands and tens place, we will fill the rest with 1. So the number thus formed will be 16121. Question number 7. Write all possible 3-digit numbers using each of the digits 5, 0, 1 and then arrange them in ascending order. So these are the possible arrangements: 501, 510, 105 and 150. Now any other combination of these digits will be 2-digit numbers, 15 and 51. So we will not take them. Now we have to arrange them in ascending order, which is going to be 105, 150, 501 and 510. So friends, we have come to the end of chapter 1. Now I request you to go and see all the previous sessions once and revise. This revision is very important to strengthen your base of mathematics. In case there is any doubt, please feel free to ask in the comment section. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, do so and press the bell icon so that you get notified when I upload a video. See you soon in the next session on Roman numbers. Until then, stay safe, stay happy.